Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by 1 plus cos s to the power of 2 on numerator and denominator. So we combine two factors in here. Now we have the formula in here. So I will put this one go to the right, number one go to the left. But this one, that is about 1 minus cos s to the power of 2. However, we have the power number 2 in here. That is about even power. So this one we can swap like this. Because the even power, you can change the negative into positive. So this one I will put in here. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, number one, that is about this one. So cos s square we have number 2. And now this one, that is about sin s to the power of number 4. And now we can create like this. So this one divided by this one. This one divided by this one. And this one divided by this one. Now we need to focus on this one. So we have the formula in here. So in this one we can put like this. So we need to transform this one into this one. And this one, that is about this one. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. Because we don't have the negative in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u. This one we change for negative du. The integration of u square, that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we have the second one. So the interaction of this one with the negative in here, that is about this one. Now let's go to the last one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin s, and the next one we have cos s. So this one we change for u, this one we change for du, and now we can put like this, and now we have the final answer in here. So this one, that is about negative number 3. This is about negative number 3. About u, that is about sin s. Now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And the last one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.